Hi, today we are going to take a look at how you can create a Google Classroom assignment from within the Snap and Read PDF workspace. This is going to make things much simpler for you as well as your students. Right now, you'll notice that I'm in my workspace for Snap and Read. You'll also notice I have a couple other tabs open. Normally, when working with Google Classroom, a teacher would come to their Google Classroom, click on the Create button, click on Create Assignment, and do it in this manner. While this still works, let me show you how you can do this much simpler. So as a teacher, instead of going to my class to create it, I am going to jump over to my workspace again. And from here, I'm going to click on Open because the first thing I need to do is go get my PDF, and I have it on the drive. I'm going to click on Open from Drive, and I'm going to go ahead and select the worksheet that is in PDF format and click Select. Because I've selected that in my Snap and Read workspace, I get a preview of what it looks like. I could annotate and add instructions using my text box just like my students would. But in this case, I just want this worksheet to be the assignment for my class. From here, I am going to go to the upper right-hand corner and I am going to go to my Share button. When I click on my Share button, you'll notice the first option is to go ahead and share this directly to my Google Classroom. Simply click on that button. You're going to go ahead and choose the Google Classroom that you want it to go into or your course. I am going to choose the 6th period for Mrs. Johnson. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give this assignment a title, just like you would do in the Google Classroom environment. In this case, I'm just going to call this Life Science. Below this, we have already put in some general instructions for your student. However, you can go ahead and add. Please open this assignment in your Snap and Read workspace. When finished, click the Turn In button found in the upper right hand. And I can spell too. Once I'm done with my instructions, you'll notice our default is that when I click Assign, it is going to automatically make a unique copy for each student. This is slightly different from how Google Classroom works. Many of you know when you're in Google Classroom, the default is actually that students can only view, and they're all viewing the exact same file. That can make it very difficult for students and for you because everyone's working off of one file. Again, our default, I'm not going to give a due date, but I could do that as well. All I need to do now is click the Assign button. And what Snap and Read's workspace is doing is it's connecting right back to my class. So now if I go back here, I hit refresh, you're going to notice that not only in my stream, it's going to give a notice to my students that they have an assignment. Right here is my life science. Or if the student is in their classwork, they'll see their life science. When they click on it, you'll see that my 9 students have been assigned this, and there's the copy of the PDF. Again, that's how simply and easily it is for you to go ahead and create a classroom assignment using the Snap and Read PDF workspace. I hope this is helpful, and you can check out how the students will access this on our Learning Academy in the student section. Thanks.